Hello guys, this is Geography NCERT of class 6 presented by me Syed Asif, and if you have not subscribed to my channel then please subscribe and press bell icon for more videos and notifications. Do like, do share with your friend, with your and or other aspirants. Friends, today we are going to deal with the first chapter of the NCERT 6 class, that is the Earth in the solar system. Friends, I think that you don't need to go anywhere for this chapter because all the aspects, all the information that is needed regarding the topic is presented here. I had collected from many sources and just presenting here. I hope you'd like it. So already I told you in overview of the list, overview of the course, that our aim is conceptual clarity, and if you have not watched it, the lesson, previous lesson, that is the review of the course, that then go for it. Now what we are going to study here, we are going to study the galaxies, constellations, solar systems, etc, etc. Friends, I have made it on paper because I didn't have that much time to go for presentation. Therefore, now the study of the sun, moon, and satellites, stars, galaxies, etc. is called astronomy, and Nicholas Copernicus had started this. Therefore, he is the father of astronomy. Now, what do we have in the sky? So, stars, constellations, galaxies, satellites, and planets, and etc. we see in our sky. So, what is galaxy? क्या होती है galaxy? तो galaxy is a group of star. स्टार का ग्रुप होती है जिसमें planets होते हैं, solar होते हैं, systems, solar systems, etc. here. And our solar system is also part of a galaxy, that is Milky Way galaxy. और साइंटिस्ट कहते हैं कि लाखों हजारों गैलेक्सीज और भी है यूनिवर्स में, एंड एंड्रोमेडा इज आवर नियरेस्ट गैलेक्सी. नेक्स्ट इज प्लैनेट. नेक्स्ट कॉन्सेप्ट इज प्लैनेट. So planetae is the Greek word which means wanderers. Now why planets are called wanderers? Because they move around the sun. Okay, therefore this is wander, that is what it's called, a wanderers. Hence they move around the planet. Then planets are a celestial body. Okay, they have no heat and no light of their own, but they have the heat and light of sun, and they reflect it. Now the position of sun is fixed, and as it is the center of our solar system, all the planets revolve around the sun in a fixed way, that is elliptical path. Okay, not completely not completely circle, but in the way of how can I say you that you might have seen Geo Wi-Fi device, how its shape is like that. Now we have 8 planets in our solar system. This is according to the distance from the sun. First is Mercury, second is Venus, then Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. These are the 7, and there was also a 9, that is Pluto, but from 2006, it is not considered as the planet but as dwarf planet. Okay, from by their distance or closeness to the sun, these planets are divided into 2 parts. First is inner planet and second is outer planet. So inner planet is what the planets, a group of planets which is very close to the sun. Okay, or planets which are close to the sun are called inner planets. So they are rocky, and Mercury, Venus, and Earth and Mars, these four planets are inner planets. And then the planets which are away from the sun and are huge in size, they are become of gases and liquids, that are Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. So friends, तो ये कॉन्सेप्ट मेरे ख्याल से आपकी क्लियर हो चुकी होंगी. तो नेक्स्ट चलते हैं स्टार्स. क्या होते हैं तारे? तारे कहते हैं हम इन्हें. दे आर बर्निंग गैस बॉल. एक गैस के बॉल जैसे होते हैं, हमें तो बॉल जैसे दिखते हैं, उसके बाद हमें छोटे दिखते हैं लेकिन साइज में वो बहुत बिग होते हैं. अपना सन ही ले लीजिए, जो हमारे अर्थ से कितने, आप मुझे बताएंगे हमारे अर्थ से कितने गुना बड़ा है अपना सूर्य. So they are hot, they have their own light, and sun is also star, as I said you already. Now move forward. You may have a question, why star blink, तारे क्यों चमचमाते हैं. जैसे कि stars are far away from us, they are करोड़ों किलोमीटर away from us. Now क्या होता है, वो अपनी जो लाइट है और हीट है उसे इमिट करते हैं. जैसे कि फॉर एग्जांपल यहाँ पे हमको लाइट कंसीडर करना है, तो वो अपनी लाइट इमिटेट करते हैं. अब एटमॉस्फेयर के वेरियस लेयर्स होते हैं जिसकी डेंसिटी कम ज़्यादा होती रहती है. अब जैसे ये लाइट इसे पास करती है अलग अलग लेयर्स को, तो डेंसिटी के हिसाब से कहीं ज़्यादा स्पीड से आ जाती है तो कहीं धीरे स्पीड से आ जाती है. तो इसी के चलते हमें ऐसा लगता है मानो जैसे वो चमचमा रहे हैं. तो ये इसका कारण है. उसके बाद कॉन्स्टलेशन, जिसको हम नक्षत्र समूह कहते हैं. तो क्या होता है कॉन्स्टलेशन? दिस इज अ ग्रुप ऑफ स्टार्स, limited. Okay, there are unlimited stars in the sky, but this is a group of limited star which forms a certain imaginary Ursa Major, Big Bear, and small bear. Okay, this is the same name here, Ursa Major or Big Bear. It's same. And a small bear. Saptarishi is also constellation. This is like a Saptarishi. Now friends, you know, from ancient period, various European merchants came to our country, or our ancient traveled to the various directions over the sea. Okay, now how it was possible to decide a particular कौन सी दिशा से ये बताना कैसा पॉसिबल था उनको. तो ये इस सप्तऋषि का वो आधार लेते थे इस तरह कि ये ऐसे इस टाइप में 5 स्टार होते थे और 6वां ए होता था. उसके बाद एक 7वां जो है तो ए होता था. अभी जब ये डायरेक्शन ऐसी जब डायरेक्शन होगी, आप देख सकते हैं मेरा माउस कैसा चल रहा है, तो इस डायरेक्शन का जो स्टार होगा वो नॉर्थ स्टार. ओके, जैसे कि हम मैप में अभी सिर्फ नॉर्थ दिशा बताते हैं, नॉर्थ साइड कौन से बताते हैं, और बाकी हम कंसिडर कर लेते हैं. ठीक उसी तरह वही करते थे वो लोग भी, और इसी तरह वो अपना सफर तय करते थे. Now next is now our solar system. In the Milky Way galaxy, solar system is a part of Milky Way galaxy. Okay, now what is solar? Solar is a Latin sol. Now how solar is made? Is made of sol. The word sol, which is Latin word and means the sun. Okay, solar system is what? Family of the sun. Solar system is what? Family of the sun. At last, sun is at the center. Okay, so what is in our solar system? The sun, 8 planets, satellites and other celestial bodies. उसके बाद है cosmic year, जिसे हम वैश्विक वर्ष कहते हैं. The time taken by the solar system to complete one orbit around the Milky Way galaxy. Okay, तो इसे कहा जाता है cosmic year, जिसका टाइम होता है 26,000 years. So the very next important element of our solar system, that is sun. Okay, so what is sun? Huge and made up of gases. Okay, and it is hot. Okay, so it's called as yellow dwarf. It's part of Milky Way galaxy, closest star to the sun. This is only a closest star to the sun, and this is the center of the solar system, as I already told you, and all the planets revolve around it. So it is ultimate source of the heat and light for the solar system. We also get light and heat from the solar system, and the distance from Earth of the sun, or the distance between Earth and sun, is 150 million kilometer. Okay, and the light from sun takes about 8.5 minutes to reach the Earth, and the closest star to the sun is Proxima Centauri. Okay, which is about 4.22 light years away. Now I said light year. तो क्या है light year? तो अभी देखते हैं the distance that light travels in a year. Okay, तो light year क्या होता है? एक distance है जो एक लाइट या लाइट का एक किरण एक साल में पास करता है. ओके, जैसे कि स्पीड ऑफ द लाइट क्या होता है? स्पीड लाइट का स्पीड, इट्स 3 लाख किलोमीटर पर सेकंड, और अगर हम सूर्य की बात करें, सन की बात करें, तो 70% ऑफ हाइड्रोजन है, 28% हेलोजन है और 1% अदर गैसेस है. The most important for us. Okay, so this is the third nearest planet of the to the sun. Okay, its shape is like geoid, not completely. It's not in circle. It's a kind of egg. It's like egg shape. Okay, it's bulge in to the equator and flatten at the साउथ पोल. आपने देखा होंगे इक्वेटर पे जरा साइज जो है तो उसकी ज़्यादा है, और जैसे हम नॉर्थ की ओर जाते हैं या साउथ की ओर जाते हैं, उसके पोल्स की ओर जाते हैं, तो उसकी साइज कम होती जाती है. सो कुछ यूनिक प्लान हमारी अर्थ जो है तो एक यूनिक प्लानट है. Why it is unique planet? Because the atmosphere. Now what does our atmosphere contains? Its oxygen, ozone. Okay, now we have water, temperature. This is most important. These three are the most important characters of our earth that other planet are not having this in the three forms. Now how water is available here? It is available in three forms: liquid, solid, gases. Okay, now liquid we see in river, lake and ocean. In solid we have Himalaya and other things. It's icy, in the icy form. Okay, and gases, that is in atmosphere. Now 3/4 of the earth's surface is covered with the water. It is called blue planet because from outer space it looks like blue. Now temperature of our earth is neither hot nor too cold. Next with satellites. What is satellites? Satellites are celestial bodies that revolve around the planets. Okay, various kind of satellites are there. Okay, shine by reflecting the light of the sun. सन की लाइट्स जो रिफ्लेक्ट करते हैं और हम उसे देख पाते हैं. दे आर नेचुरल एंड नॉन मेड. दीज आर टू टाइप्स ऑफ सैटेलाइट्स. नेचुरल इज मून, जो हमारी अर्थ का है. उसके बाद आता है मेड, मैन मेड और आर्टिफिशियल सैटेलाइट्स. It is designed. These are designed by scientists that gather information about the universe, carried by rocket. Okay, to place in the space, and they are placed in the orbit around the sun. Example: Indian satellite, InSat, um, EduSats, this etc. Now next is moon. So Chanda Mama, we know everyone. Its diameter is about 1/4 of the size of the earth. Okay, हमारे अर्थ से काफ़ी छोटा है. एक ही हमारी अर्थ के अगर 4 टुकड़े किए जाएंगे तो एक टुकड़ा जो है तो मून का होगा. appears big, जिससे ये वही है, only one satellite that we can with our eyes near to the earth than any other celestial body. It completes one orbit of the earth in about 27 days and same time to complete one spin of its own axis. Okay, mountain, cracks, valleys, other landforms, etc. Cast shadows of the moons of surface. जो हमें ये दिखता है नीचे से हम जो देखते हैं तो इनकी प्रतिकृति होती है. So there is till scientists have not found the water and air. Now these are two concepts that we see: full moon or Purnima and new moon or Amavasya. When moon is fully lit, it is called full moon or Purnima, and when it is completely dark, it is called new moon or Amavasya. Now interesting fact is that Neil Armstrong is of US, is the first man who stepped on the moon, and India's first successfully launched moon mission is Chandrayaan first. Okay, let's move forward. This is asteroid, जिसे हम लघु ग्रह कहते हैं. They are teeny rocky bodies between the orbit of the Mars and Jupiter. Okay, आगे तो बता दूंगा आपको मैं इसके बारे में. Orbits around the sun, all these. Okay, now meteoroids, these are small piece of rockets. Rockets in the sense they fly, we see like they are flying in the sky. Okay, therefore they are called rocks. Huh? Moves around the sun outside the earth atmosphere. Okay, sometimes come near to the earth. हम देखते हैं टूटता तारा हुआ देखते हैं. Okay, these are meteors और टूटता तारा इसी को हम कहते हैं. Meteoroid passing through the earth atmosphere due to the friction with air, they get heat and burn. Okay, हम कभी कभी उसे टूटता कहते हैं या जलता कहते हैं. Cause a flash of light. and this shooting star, we call it shooting star. Now what is meteoroid? Now you meteoroid, here you see meteoroid, here meteors, and here meteorites. So meteorites is what? This passes through the earth atmosphere and falls on the earth. Its hollow or craters, they mostly contain iron. Now the comet. Comet in the, what is meant by comet? Comet क्या होता है? ये धूमकेतु होता है, icy body of the gases and dust. गैसेस से और डस्ट से बना होता है, जिसको एक लॉन्ग टेल पूंछ होती है पीछे से, और इट्स ऑर्बिट्स अराउंड द सन. बेस्ट नोन कॉमेट इज हेलो कॉमेट. आप मुझे बताएंगे कितने साल में से एक बार दिखता है हेलो कॉमेट? ओके, लास्ट वाज सीन इन 1986 and next is going to seen in 2061. Now spectroscope. Okay, this is special instrument used by the astronomers to find out whether the object is moving away from the earth or towards it. Okay, तो ये एक स्कोप है जिसे हम अर्थ के सराउंड में जो वेरियस सेलेस्टियल बॉडीज है उनकी दिशा, उनकी गति माप सकते हैं. तो नेक्स्ट इज दिस इज, तो आपको बताना चाहिए कि ये हमारा सोलर सिस्टम का एक इमेज है जहाँ पे सन सेंटर में है, बाकी सब एक उनकी ऑर्बिट में घूम रहे हैं. ये मर्क्यूरी, फिर होता है वेनस, फिर होता है अर्थ, और अर्थ के ऊपर ये जो है तो एक मून है, अर्थ को एक ही चंद्र है, एक ही चांद है. उसके बाद आता है मार्स, और दिस इज एस्टेरॉइड बेल्ट. ओके, मेटेरॉइड्स और एस्टेरॉइड बेल्ट. तो ये छोटी छोटी कुछ छोटी छोटी बॉडीज होती है जिनका एक बेल्ट टाइप है, तो ये भी यहाँ पे घूमते होते हैं. उसके बाद जुपिटर है, ये कॉमेट्स है, ये सैटर्न, यूरेनस, नेपच्यून एंड प्लूटो. ओके, तो सन के बारे में थोड़ी सी बात करेंगे अभी फिर से यहाँ पे. तो इंटरनल टेम्परेचर ऑफ द सन इज 20 मिलियन सेल्सियस. ओके, एंड आउटर इज, ओके, इंटरनल इतना है, और आउटरनल जो है तो आउटर जो है तो 6000 सेल्सियस है. इट्स 3 lakh times larger than the earth. Now next is Mercury. Okay, हम उसे कहते हैं बृहस्पति और बुध. It's smallest and closest to the sun. Distance from sun is 36 million, and it takes 88 days to revolve around the sun. Next is Venus. This is called twin planet of the Earth. Okay, अर्थ के जैसा ही दिखता है ये कुछ, इसलिए इसे ट्वाइन प्लैनेट कहा जाता है. उसके बाद है हमारी अर्थ, वन सैटेलाइट. ओके, उसका नाम है, हम उसे मून कहते हैं. अगर it takes 27 days to revolve and revolves eastward. Okay, now Jupiter, that is Guru, largest planet in universe, made of hydrogen, helium and methane. इन सब जो तो गैसेस से बना हुआ है. उसके बाद हाईएस्ट सैटेलाइट, कितने सैटेलाइट है इसके? 12 सैटेलाइट है. और वेरी कोल्ड टेम्परेचर अगर देखें तो इट्स -130 डिग्री सेल्सियस. देन वी हैव सैटर्न, जिसको हम शनि कहते हैं. इट हैज थ्री रिंग्स, 9 satellites. It's second largest planet in the solar system and revolve around sun and takes 295 years to complete one orbit around the sun. So next is Uranus. Is bluish green color. Its color is bluish green. Now it's 50 times larger than the Earth. Okay, it is also 50 times larger than the Earth, and 15 times heavy than the Earth. Okay, it has 5 satellites and it orbit east to west. And friends, this is, I think, I hope you have got it completely, and you, by watching this lesson, I think you would not need to see any other lecture or lesson, or even no need to read NCERT. Just repeat it, listen, watch again and again, and you would get all the clarity regarding this. And then I would like to tell you that even you can use it as notes. Okay, just make it screenshot, or just have a pen on notebook and just note it down. And one more thing, if you have not subscribed yet, Please subscribe for next videos and notifications. Okay, thank you.